All right, what do we see over here, Harrison?
A bulldozer.
A bulldozer. It's a little rainy, but you can still check out the bulldozer. I think. Let's go look on the other side. There may be something else on the other side too. Anything on the other side? What is that? What is that? What does that look like? It has all sorts of stuff.
Oh, this might neck on.
A screed.
Might be neck on here. Neck on here.
Yeah, it connects on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it must. Look at that. It has all sorts of cool things. Forward, back, auger, right wing. I have to get around the other side to see what it looks like.
Yeah, you can inside that guy.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can inside that.
You want to look at this guy?
Yeah,
Look how big the tires are. Can you climb up there? Here, I'm going to help you, okay? Whoa, yeah, got it? Whoa. Hey, climb up. Tractor loader. Yeah. Yeah, it's, ooh, you can open it up, but it's a little high up there. Cool. Yeah. Hard to get in that one. Here, let's go look at the front of it.
Whoa, I like a napping guy. You can napping guy.
Yeah, and they have it on resting on a rock. That's kind of smart, I guess.
It's like a napping guy.
Look at how big that scoop is.
And you walk down here.
Yeah, you can walk in there.
Yeah, you might get.
Wow, let's go look over here. Look. What is this over here then? I don't know what it is. We have to figure this out. I'm going to look it up, but it says it has a screed or something, an auger. This machine, I'm not quite sure what it's used for.
No, it might fall down. I think that there's a guy who, I think this is where you dump all it. There might be a dumping pit.
Something that you dump things on?
Yeah,
Could
like,
be.
it might be they did. It might be roll this. It might be roll that. It's dumped out on there roll that.
It could be, yeah.
Yeah, like
What does it look like underneath? It has treads. You drive on treads. All right, I think we're done. It's a little wet to be looking at all this stuff right now, huh? But we'll look it up and we'll find out what it is. And we know where one is parked. That maybe came from a traffic cone. This bulldozer tractor here is pretty dirty, huh? Whoa. Stand by those tires. I'm curious. Take a look.
Yeah, it's really high.
Yeah, super high. Super high.
Yeah. And I had to that wheel.
And then you can look inside. Oh, it's got broken glass. Not a lot of controls on this one, huh? Yeah. You think the key's up there somewhere?
Yeah.
I don't know. We always find the keys, don't we?
Yeah.
I don't see the key. That's all right. We're not going to drive it in the rain.
That one might keep it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And maybe
Put the key somewhere else?
yeah, I might pull a key and give it. I might pull it away. I'll just pull it. Huh? What a minute. That is
This is an interesting machine, huh, Harrison?
Yeah. Hey, what is this?
That looks like a lemon. Let me see. Turn it over. A lemon peel or something? Yeah, some sort of a peel. All right, well, increase, decrease. Let's look on this side. Is there anything underneath there? You can see? Oh, it's kind of hard.
Yeah, that is.
Very interesting. We found a new machine that you don't know what it is, and I'm not quite sure what it is. Well, you know what this says? It says asphalt equipment, Harrison, so maybe this is used for helping put down asphalt.
Yeah.
You know what asphalt is?
Yeah.
It's what you're standing on. Asphalt is what helps make parking lots and streets.
What?
Yeah, that's called asphalt.
Oh, and what is this on my shoes? Did this out?
What's that on your shoe right there? That's dirt.
Did that book come on?
Oh, well, we're walking around in the rain. It could just be anything. So, something that's used for asphalt, huh? We'll figure it out. We'll put it in the video when we put it up. And who knows, Harrison, you might be right. This maybe connects to this big bulldozer.
Yeah. It might hang on the back.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah, look, does this go up? Look at that. So you put things, connect them right there, and then you connect this back on, and then you pull it. That's kind of like our tractor at home, our big
big one.
driving bulldozer, yeah.
Yeah, big
Or a driving lawnmower, it does that too.
That little big one.
Yeah. And what's in here?
That
That's
might
locked.
be. That might be. Yeah, that.
Gas. Where do you think the gas goes in?
It might go in.
Somewhere over here, maybe?
No, I think that it might be.
Does that look like a gas tank?
That thing might be. If that thing might be in there, then maybe not. That might be that thing. If that thing might be in there.
Yeah, it might be.
Empty.
That looks like oil or something over there. So dirty.
I hope it be that thing.
Yeah, look at all that grease.
We go run around.
Let's go run around. Okay, bye, Harrison. Say bye.
Bye.